A supreme pass by the nation's highest court in a local case that has the eyes of the nation watching.
The case of Gavin Grimm goes back down the legal line, all because of a change of policy that comes with a change in presidents. Good evening to you. Gavin Grimm's case made it all the way to the top. Today, a decision by the Supreme Court to send it back down for further review.
It leaves the touchy topic of transgender rights in limbo, at least for now. Instead of taking up the case on March 28th as expected, the Supreme Court said in a very brief order it is handing it back to an appeals court. That court will now evaluate a federal law, possibly using new guidance from the Trump administration. 10 on your side's Deanna LeBlanc talked with Gavin Grimm and explains what's next, Deanna.
Tom, Gavin Grimm's legal team considered a May announcement by the Obama administration a big win. But now with a new administration and a new agenda, that win becomes a battle once again.
We're confident that we're going to have a good outcome again.
In the fight for transgender bathroom use, the ACLU remains positive, despite a big setback from the nation's high court today.
We are confident that the Fourth Circuit, is going to consider a lot of the same arguments that we made over a year ago.
The Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals originally ruled in favor of Gavin Grimm, relying on Obama administration guidance that schools should let transgender students use the bathroom that corresponds with their gender identity. But President Trump rescinded that guidance. And instead of taking up the case, the Supreme Court vacated the lower court's ruling and sent the case back to be reviewed again, to once again determine if the law allows Grimm equal protection from sex discrimination under Title IX.
It's nice to have the Department of Education interpreting the law as we do, in our opinion, the correct way to interpret the law, but we don't need that to win.
It's unclear when the lower court will schedule a hearing. It's not set to convene until May. That means Grimm's chances of ever using the boys' bathroom at Gloucester High School are slim. He graduates this year, but said today he'll continue to fight no matter how long it takes.
I would say, to the best of your ability, keep your head up. There are people like the ACLU fighting for you every single day, absolutely tirelessly, and this will continue to happen until you are safe in your schools.
And the Gloucester County School Board released a statement today which reads in part, the board looks forward to explaining why its common sense restroom and locker room policy is legal under the Constitution and federal law. In the newsroom, I'm Deanna LeBlanc. 10 on your side.
You may recall Gavin Grimm's case began back in 2014, the beginning of his sophomore year. Gavin had the blessing of school administrators to use the bathroom of his choice, but it only lasted 2 months because in December of that year, by a vote of 6-1, the Gloucester School Board adopted the policy that kicked off the case and the debate over transgender rights. Of course, you can see all of our coverage on Gavin Grimm's case on wavy.com.